Hi, my name is Jessica Delfino. I'm a musician in New York City. I also teach guitar and ukulele. So today we're going to talk about how to tune a 3/4 size guitar. This is a 3/4 size guitar, and basically what that means is it's a little bit smaller than those big, heavy kind of dreadnought acoustic guitars. It's just a little smaller for, someone like myself with I'm not super tiny, but I just like the size of this guitar because for me it's a little easier to handle. It's also a little bit lighter, so when you're carting your guitar everywhere with you in a case, it just makes life a little easier. Easy on your back. So basically the way that you tune a 3/4 guitar is the same way you would tune a regular guitar if you're talking about a standard tuning, which is E, A, D, G, B, E. So the 6 strings on the guitar, again from the top, would be E, A, D, G, B, and E. So I have my tuner on my iPhone device here, and this is a tuner that I really like to use, and because it's pretty handy. I prefer this tuner to one of the clip-on tuners because it's one less thing for me to have to carry. So we're just going to pluck. Actually, what I like to do is I like to set it on the guitar because it picks up the vibrations a little bit better. So I'm just going to set it on the guitar, and I'm going to go through the strings, and we're going to tune this up real fast. First string, E. Looks like it's pretty much perfect. A, pretty good. D, sorry. Oh, maybe that one can use a little fine tuning. Good. Okay. Next one is G, and then B, and finally E. Just a little tweak on that one. Perfect. So that's basically how you tune a 3/4 size guitar. And lots of luck to you. Have a great afternoon, and thank you for watching.